You won't believe what Toyota has done with the all-new 2025 camper van, and today on Lux Auto X, we're diving into every detail of this impressive motorhome. If you're into van life, adventure travel, or just love cutting-edge automotive design, this one's going to blow your mind. At first glance, the exterior is sleek, clean, and modern. It looks more like a luxury shuttle than a traditional camper, with sharp lines, aerodynamic features, and bold graphics that give it a futuristic touch. Toyota's legendary build quality is evident in every panel, from the flush-mounted windows to the integrated awning that folds out effortlessly. It's compact enough to navigate tight city streets, yet spacious enough to feel like a home on wheels. Step inside, and the interior truly sets this van apart. The layout is brilliantly designed, space-efficient, functional, and stylish. You've got a modular kitchen setup that includes an induction cooktop, sink, fridge, and plenty of storage. The materials used feel premium, with soft LED lighting creating a warm, cozy vibe. Opposite the kitchen is a convertible lounge area that easily transforms into a comfortable sleeping space. It's the perfect setup whether you're off-grid, camping, or just spending a weekend by the coast. Tech lovers, you're covered. The van features a smart control hub that lets you manage lighting, temperature, and battery levels right from a touchscreen or your smartphone. Solar panels on the roof keep the power flowing, making this van ideal for long adventures without needing a hookup. USB ports, wireless charging pads, and Bluetooth connectivity are built right in. The driver's cockpit is equally impressive. Toyota has equipped it with a digital dash, a large infotainment screen, and supportive captain's chairs that make long drives easy and comfortable. Driving this thing feels more like piloting a high-end SUV than a bulky RV. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning to go full van life, the 2025 Toyota camper van delivers the perfect balance of reliability, innovation, and comfort. It's everything you need to explore in style. Hit that like button if you're ready to take this on your next road trip. And don't forget to subscribe to Lux Auto X for more epic automotive content. Let us know in the comments, where would you take this van first?